Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. My name is Maya, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm supposed to be going out with my friend to dinner, or maybe the beach, so we can have a little picnic. We haven't seen each other for a while, so that is actually also great. I also wanted you guys to tag along with me on this semi-healthy journey I'm trying out. Hopefully, it lasts. You know what? Let's speak positivity. It will last, and I will get to my goal where I just eat mainly healthy. There's gonna be a cheat day, but it is what it is. Also, I am pretty much gonna show you guys what I eat like in a day, like morning, evening, night, lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I hopefully you guys could tag along or also join with me if you wanna come on this challenging journey with me. It's not even challenging, but you know what I mean. I didn't have time to video this since I'm in a rush, but today we're having some shrimp tortillas, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, so I just got back. I actually went to P1. It's pretty much a all natural juice place where they just do smoothies, vegan ice cream, veggie patties, and all those stuff, which is a really good and healthy place. I actually went and came back. I'm really tired because it's hot outside right now. It's about 80. I got myself a mango blast and also a veggie patty, which is really good. Y'all just Hey guys, just checking in. I know I said I was gonna go on a picnic earlier, but we're not anymore because it's pretty much last minute and we didn't really plan anything. So we're just gonna do that early August. So the only thing we did was, cook, watch a movie, so and so. Right now I'm gonna make dinner, and I don't know. I want to do something healthy. You know what? Let's scratch that. I said I was gonna do something healthy, so I think I'm gonna do kalaloo. Kalaloo is kind of like greens, but it's not greens. It has a more subtle taste to it, which I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pair it with saltfish, so it could be like a main by itself, and then I'm gonna do that with probably some rice. So yeah, let's do that. Say bye, mama. Good luck. Say bye. Good job, Pumpkin. Good job. All right, so we'll be back. right now, this is the callaloo. You cook it the same way as cabbage, but less water because they do start water. And they will sit down, so you could fill the pot up as high as you want. Alright, I'm about to just season it. Is that funny, Pumpkin? And this is the rice. It's already cooked. This is the rice. It's already cooked. Okay, so we have saltfish and callaloo with some white rice and also some of the detox drink that we made yesterday, and that is pretty much what we're gonna have for dinner.